I'll be honest. Your love ain't totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi ule. Yabani de makamishi ule. Upona make I see ule. You're my love one city. If you make a bad man sing,
Hi guys! Welcome back to Team Salam YouTube channel. Before I will unbox this Nano wireless charging atomizer, please do subscribe, click the button, and like to our YouTube channel. Please, please. Actually, I'm not uploading, it's quite some time, I'm not uploading so many videos because what just happened to my Snowy, my lovable cat, she just passed away and still I'm in pain and I missed her a lot. But I know right now she's in heaven and she's not suffering, so I let her go. Okay? And please love your pets, love your cats, okay? I'm still in pain, but life has to go on. They said life needs to move on, and life is so short. We need to live to the fullest. Okay, so right now guys, I have here, actually it's just arrived. I got this from Amazon. This is the wireless charging nano blue light atomizer. Okay, so this one I need to sanitize my kids. Right now they are face to face back in school here in UAE, so I need to make it sure that everything will be in place and it's safe when they will come back from school. So I researched this one and I found it in Amazon. Okay, I will show you and I will unbox this one. Okay, there are a lot of atomizer. Okay, there is a wired atomizer, there is wireless. So I got this one because I wanted to bring it with me when I'm outside, so before they will come inside the car I can sanitize the car from outside and inside, so we are safe. Okay, so this one, it just arrived and it's very useful and helpful to our lifestyle. And this one, it's very handy. This one you need to charge it for 2 hours, but I charged it already, so we can I can show you how it works. So this will come inside. It comes with the manual. Okay, and there is USB charging for charging. Okay, but no plug, so you need to provide your own plug. Okay, so it has this blue light on it here, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, and some people are asking what solution we can put inside. So I have here alcohol 70% solution, and I have the tool, and I have distilled water or mineral water, whatever you can provide to yourself. Okay, so this atomizer, it comes with the bottle, it attached here. Okay, and right now I will show you how to make your own solution at home. For me, I prefer to use alcohol. Okay, because the tool, it makes my it's coming so strong, but you can use it and it's very safe. It's a little only. So now I will open this one, mineral water. Don't use tap water or sink water, so it will not damage your atomizer. Okay, always use distilled water. So I will put inside water, 80% of water. Okay, this one, 80%. Okay, and then I'm gonna use alcohol, 20% of alcohol. Okay, and that's it. Then attach inside your atomizer. Close it tightly. Shake it a bit so it will, incorporate the water and alcohol. So now, this atomizer has light button and it has the control one if you want, higher or lower fog like this. So now, I will show you how to do it. This one. See, it's coming so strong because I put a bit high. So this one, see, it has a blue light atomizer. See? Okay. This will help you to sanitize all the things of your kids from outside, from school or everywhere they will go. When it comes to your house, you can sanitize outside your house. Just spray with this, okay? So virus will not come inside your house, okay? So this, it's very helpful to me, especially to, moms inside house. You will not feel, uncomfortable because they are outside. You will not think that they will, bring some viruses or coming. Now it's pandemic, so we need to be, careful and to take care of our kids also, like this. So I got it from Amazon. It's less than 100 dirhams, okay? So it's very easy to use. It's wireless. You can bring it with you whenever you go, So that's it for now, okay? And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and watch for our next video. Subscribe to our channel. Keep safe. Stay blessed. Much love from Team Salam.